Let's go.
Sup guys? So tayo magkakape with friends. Tayo tatambay din sa riverside ng San Jose, Montalban. Nandun na yung mga kasama natin, nauna na. Mga racing kasi yung mga yun eh. So tara, punta muna tayo ng Shell para magpagas.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Kick the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway. It's a nice switch, cause I'm riding through the cloud like white rain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Urong konti. Bakit wala kang signal? That's too dangerous. Okay, pasok na tayo dito. Dito na tayo sa Riverside Bridge ng Rodriguez, Montalban. There, dito sila. Maganda dito tumambay. Bakit may pusa? Yan, ang daming mga riders and tambayers. Tapos may swimming pool dun, may resort. Oh, boy na boy ang perya. Oh, bingguhan. Meron din Ferris wheels. Na may kainan. May food tripan. Doon tayo sa pinagkakapehan namin, tinatambayan namin. Ito sa ating kapihan. Kapihan. Kiwi, NMAX, Vespa, and Suzuki GSX menu. So try natin mag-ikot-ikot para kumuha ng pagkain.
Shawarma na naman ako nito.
Ayaw mo ng grill. Ayaw mo ng grill. Try natin yung motor TSX. Nakakabobo ah. Kilis nga pala to. Buksan mo na alam pre.
Dito na.
Tapos pindutin ko to.
Pag i-start, hindi, wala na. Ganyan, labas na malaki. Sige, pag i-start mo mamaya, pag ganito pre, dulo mo to, ayan, dulo, sabay ito, ayan, okay na. Last, here.
Okay. Yeah.
Ikaw na mag-start.
Langay na nabobo. Inaanap ko yung susian pre. Hindi pala to susi. Ayop ka. So let's try this bike. Wow, same siya ng R15. Ang bigat. Wow. Crispy. With acrophobic pipe. Siga. So good. Di lang tayo makabira kasi syempre maraming tao. Sarap. 6 speed din pala to with 150cc engine. Ang comfy na kupuan. So guys, let's try this Vespa. Okay, mamahaling motor kaya dahan-dahan lang. Sheesh. Bigat. Taas. Wow. Ganda ng side mirror, bilog. Vespa 150. Vespa Sprint. Oh, nakakamiss mag-scooter ah.
Natrap ko naman ang free. Okay.
Our next NMAX 155. So ito, familiar na tayo dito guys. Yan. Nakakabobo yung mga kilis na motor. Ganda ng panel niya. Parang panel ng R15. Bagay, expected kay Yamaha. Comfy oh. Yung paa mo parang nasa sopa. Ang comfy nito, sarap sa long drive. Woo! Ang taas pa ng view, kita mo lahat. Sarap sa long drive na ito. Arlas Keyway 152 Classic. Ito talaga classic na classic. Yes. Bigat. Classic. Sheesh. Z2i by Motorstar. Ganda nung ano, tambutso. Battle Fight. Whoa! Sugay! Is good.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning,
So, yun lang guys. Uwi na kami. Ako ulit si Vincent. Hanggang sa muli.